Welcome to the VitaLife show. I'm Dr. Janine Bowering and I thank you for joining me today. Today's topic in the VitaLife show series is all about ear infections and how to treat them naturally, especially in children, because this is a common complaint that I see with a lot of my patients. And moms and dads come in and they often get caught up in the regular conventional way of treating the ear infections, which usually means one antibiotic after another. And the reason that this really doesn't work is that what a conventional antibiotic will do is kill all of those bad bacteria, yes, or maybe, but also the good bacteria. And it's those good bacteria, the probiotics, the friendly flora that we really need to keep our immune system strong. So when it comes to treating ear infections naturally, which of course is what we want to do, is we can give natural antibiotics that aren't going to kill off all of the probiotics, the good flora, but we also want to make sure that the immune system is functioning optimally. We want to make sure that we're also decreasing inflammation in the body all around. And we want to make sure that we're supplementing with enough of the good guys, those probiotics. So the immune system, how do we do this? Well, there are natural herbal supplements that exist that help to strengthen the immune system, that whether it's at the surface level, a herb which is great for this is called echinacea, or at the deeper level, a great herb for this is called astragalus, and this is a Chinese herb. We are helping to target those infections from the outside, so right when it happens in an acute infection, but also at a deeper level over time, we can strengthen the immune system as well with these very specific herbs. And the next thing that we can do manually now for our children is lymphatic drainage. Now, lymphatic drainage helps to move the lymphatics, which are all within the head and neck, to help to drain that fluid. In children, unfortunately, their drainage is not the best, and this is why they're more prone to those ear infections as opposed to the adults. So an easy way to do this is to do ear exercises. So I'll share this with you. And basically what you're doing is you're helping to move those lymphatics and help to make sure that there's enough blood flow in the ear area. So the first thing that we do is we pull up on the ears. So you can do this for your kids, or you can teach your kids to do this as well, especially if they're prone to these ear infections. So basically pull up on the ear, then you're gonna pull back on the ear, then you're going to pull down on the ear, and then you're going to push in the tragus so that it actually makes that little popping sound. The tragus is that part of the ear right here that when you close it, it closes off the canal to the ear. And then the last thing you're going to do is actually massage. So massage the lymphatic system behind the ears and then right down the neck. And this helps to drain the lymph. You don't want to press too hard on this because the lymph system is very close to the surface of the skin. So you just want to do this very gently, about 10 times. And you're doing this on each side. Do it at the same time. And what a great way to not only treat an ear infection naturally, but to also prevent it. So if your kids are prone to this, then you're doing this, 2-3 times a week. Great thing to do. Now in the diet, you want to make sure that you're avoiding a lot of dairy products and sugar. These are the two worst culprits for, those frequent ear infections and low immunity. So make sure you're decreasing those. And be sure to leave your comments below. I love that you've joined me today, and do these exercises. Let me know how it's going for you and your children. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter at VitaTree, and remember to subscribe to this channel because we're always giving you new and updated tips about how to treat yourself and your family naturally. And I thank you.